said he was a G, so I just listened to this old sailor. So we took a march and we went to Washington. I saw George Bush and I kicked him at a tree. And he is bitch. He went ahead and called me a snitch. And he now got a weed legalized for me. But the state of New Hampshire said he would not like. So they went down to the riverside and had a gunfight there. And they sailed forever and never, unlike pirates. They're eating fish, calling for a wish. You know me, my name is L.O.G. Think a little bigger, do-do-do. Ain't gonna put up with your podcast too. Hey, you. So what are you doing? My name is Patrick Ewing, and I ain't gonna put up with your pets. We've just been sitting down at the river, eating on a fish at the pond. So I came right on down to see my clown. I put it on my Lizzie girl, and she just ran around like a girl. So I thought I'll catch you a little hopscotch. You know me, I draw it like a G. I'm gonna put it up there like my brother. He knows me, so you hand back.